Let's see if it works. Oh, I can't get it to work. I'll try and... Oh, here it is. It's coming down. I don't think there's much of a view. It's not very sunny today. This is good. I'm catching the tuk-tuk to the station. Hi everyone, I'm here in Bangkok and wanted to show you around the hotel I've stayed in for 2 weeks. Initially, I only booked it for 1 week, but it exceeded my expectations, so I thought I'll continue my stay. Let me show you around. Just to say, I was upgraded when I came, so to a corner room. So this is the luggage area, and then it comes to the bathroom straight away. So has a scale and the usual things. We've got the hairdryer. We've got the amenities, shower cap, sanitary, vanity kit, shaving, comb, dental kits, and we've got the wash. Got a separate toilet. And the bathroom. You can see it's glass, right? So you have the curtains here. Let's see if it works. Oh, I can't get it to work. I'll try and... Oh, here it is. It's coming down. This takes a while, as you can see. Okay, so it goes all the way down so you get some privacy. Now, that's the bar. That's the cupboard with a safe, ironing board, iron, umbrella, got slippers and laundry bag. Oh. Now, let's see the room itself. I've ordered a bed, one double bed. I think this looks like a queen size. You get a sofa on the other end, a desk, and a TV. Get 2 bins. One's recycling and one's for trash. You get the mini bar. This is paid items. And see the prices there. Now this is the normal stuff. That's your drinks also. Now let's take you. So now the curtain's down for the bathroom. And take you a look at the view. I don't think there's much of a view. Let's see, much of a view. Yeah, not much of a view. It's quite nice. Just this top bit is a bit wonky. There's a pool and a gym, which I will try another day. But first I have to go and eat. And just to add, there's dining menus. In-room services as well. You can use a QR code. This one is the remote. Oh, it's just there. But I find that the desk and chair is a little bit old compared to the rest of the room. That's just a little bit of a flaw on this room. But I got upgraded. Well, can't complain. And there's also another mirror over there, so it's quite spacious. Kids area, but there's no kids here. It's the pool area. There's no one at the moment, only one person. There's a kids pool. And then there's an adult pool. It's not very sunny today. This is good. Operation hours is 10 to 8 of the bar. This is the gym area. It's not bad. You can see outside the kids' pool too. tuk-tuk to the station. So let's see how. So this is the tuk-tuk service. How it goes.
Are you here?
In just a few minutes, we arrive close enough to Asoke BTS station. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!